Hey guys, welcome back to Luxury Galore. Today we'll talk about 10 jobs that can make you an instant millionaire. Let's head into it. Number 10, pharmacist. Annual median wage, $120,000, $950. Growth outlook, 14%. Pharmacy is a growing field, particularly as the demand increases for prescription medicine. Pharmacists work in a variety of locations, from drugstores to grocery stores or hospitals and clinics. Their tasks are to dispense medication as prescribed by a licensed doctor, but they can also provide tips and advice on healthy living, provide immunizations. To become a pharmacist, you must have a doctor of pharmacy degree and be licensed. Number 9, air traffic controller. Annual median wage, $122,340. Growth outlook, 1%. Air traffic controller is ranked 9th highest paying job, but it's one of the most stressful jobs around due to intense concentration needed. Air traffic controllers coordinate the movement of airplane traffic to ensure that aircraft stay safe during distances apart. According to U.S. Bureau of Labor Services, they work in control towers, approach control facilities, or route centers. Unfortunately, the outlook for the industry is stagnant. Most employee opportunities will result from the need to replace workers who retire or leave the occupation. The BLS said, job opportunities will be best for applicants with an air traffic management degree from FAA certified school or have an air traffic control background. Number 8, data scientist. Annual median wage is $124,150. The growth outlook is 15%. Data scientists rank 8th highest paying jobs at CareerCast's list, and the outlook for this growing profession is strong. As more companies harness the use of big data, a data scientist represents an evolution from the business or data analyst role, according to IBM Get Report. Formal training for data scientists includes a solid foundation in computer science and applications, as well as statistics, analytic, and math, IBM said.
I always say that data science is about more than just data scientists. We're working with people to help answer their questions.
However, what sets the data scientist apart is strong business acumen, coupled with the ability to communicate findings of both business and IT leaders in a way that can influence how an organization approaches a business challenge, IBM said. Number 7, orthodontist. Annual median wage, $129,110. Growth outlook, 16%. Orthodontists are dental specialists who diagnose, prevent, and treat dental and facial irregularities to correctly align teeth and jaws, according to American Association of Orthodontists. Orthodontists are required to go to dental school and then complete 2 to 3 years of specialized education in an accredited orthodontic residency program, the association said. Number 6, petroleum engineer. Annual median wage, $130,050. Growth outlook, 26%. Petroleum engineers design and develop methods for extracting oil and gas from deposits below the Earth's surface, according to the BLS.
Most petroleum engineers work in the oil industry, though some work in related manufacturing or manage companies in the oil industry.
While this position is usually in an office or research laboratory, petroleum engineers also spend time at drill sites, often for extended periods. With a projected growth rate of 26% from 2012 to 2022, the profession is growing much faster than the average occupation. Petroleum engineers must have a bachelor's degree in engineering, preferably in petroleum engineering, according to the BLS. Number 5, a dentist. Annual median wage, $146,340. The growth outlook is 16%. Dentist ranked 5th highest paying job on CareerCast's list. Dentists diagnose and treat problems related to teeth, gums, and mouth. These specialized doctors also provide instruction and advice on general oral health. Many dentists are also small business owners and are required to manage a practice as well, according to the BLS. To enter the profession, a would-be dentist must be licensed, which generally requires passing written and practical exams. Number 4, corporate executive, senior level. Annual median wage, $173,322. Growth outlook, 11%. While this category is a bit vague, it is always good to have large aspirations. In general, top executives devise strategies and policies to ensure that an organization meets its goals, according to the BLS. They plan, direct, and coordinate operational activities of companies and organizations. But the job is not easy. Top executives tend to work many hours and often travel to see clients and employees. Considerable work experience is the best way to rise to management level. While the outlook for this position is about as fast as the occupation average growth outlook, to become an executive, competition is extremely strong for jobs. Number 3, general physician. Annual median wage, $180,180. Growth outlook is 18%. Physicians diagnose and treat injuries or illnesses of the physical body. They examine patients, prescribe medication, and perform and interpret diagnostic tests, among other things. Physicians can work in private offices, clinics, or hospitals and other medical offices. An aspiring physician must complete 4 years of medical school and then an additional 3 to 8 years in internship and residency programs, according to the BLS. As the healthcare industry continues to expand, particularly with the aging baby boomer generation, demand for physician is strong. Number 2, psychiatrist. Annual median wage, $181,880. Growth outlook is 18%. Psychiatrists ranked runner-up for the highest paying job according to CareerCast. Psychiatrists specialize in the diagnostics, treatment, and prevention of mental health and emotional problems, according to the American Psychiatric Association. They work in several settings, including private practice, hospitals, courts and prisons, nursing homes, government and military settings, and schools, among other places. Number 1. Surgeon. Annual median wage is $352,220. Growth outlook 18%. Surgeons ranked CareerCast's highest paying profession, expanding beyond a physician's role of diagnosing and treating injuries and illness. Surgeries operate to treat those and diagnoses. It is a highly skilled and meticulous job that requires many years of schooling, 4 years of medical school, and depending on specialty, up to 8 years of internships and residency programs. The profession has a strong growth outlook. As the healthcare industry continues to expand, particularly with the aging baby boomer generation, demand for surgeons is strong. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.